Hello, Lily. Welcome to the party.
Hi, Max. Thank you. I am happy to be here.
Good. Do you see all these people?
Yes, I do, but I am nervous.
Don't worry, it's easy. Today, we learn how to introduce ourselves.
What is introduce?
Introduce means tell people your name. Tell them about you.
Oh, I understand.
Great. Are you ready?
Yes, I think so.
Perfect. Let's start.
Okay, Lily, the first thing is simple. You say your name.
How do I say it?
You say, "Hello, my name is Lily."
Hello, my name is Lily. Like that?
Yes, exactly like that. Very good.
Is it easy?
Very easy. You can do this.
What do I say next?
Next, you ask the person's name.
How?
You say, "What is your name?"
What is your name? That's simple.
Yes, it is simple. Try again.
What is your name?
Perfect. You are doing great.
Thank you, Max.
Now, after you know the name, you can make a small talk.
What is small talk?
Small talk is short, friendly conversation.
About what?
About many things. Work, the weather, the party, anything.
I see.
For example, you can say, "Nice to meet you."
Nice to meet you. Yes?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, let's practice together. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
You start. Introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello, my name is Lily.
Very good. Now I will respond. Nice to meet you, Lily. My name is Max.
Nice to meet you, Max. Is that right?
Perfect. You are a natural.
Really? I did it correctly?
Yes, you did it very well.
What do I say now?
Now you ask a question. Ask me something.
Okay. What is your name?
I already told you. My name is Max.
Oh, yes, I remember.
That's okay. You can ask a different question.
Like what?
You can ask, do you live here?
Do you live here? Okay.
Or you can ask, what do you do?
What do you do? What does that mean?
That means, what is your job? What do you do for work?
I understand now.
Good. Let's try the whole conversation again.
Okay, Lily. This time we do the full conversation. I will be a stranger.
Okay, Max.
Remember, you start first.
Right. Hello, my name is Lily.
Nice to meet you, Lily. My name is Max.
Nice to meet you, Max.
Great. Now ask me a question.
Do you live here?
Yes, I do. I live near the park. Do you live here?
No, I don't. I live far away.
Oh, where do you live?
I live in the city.
That's nice. What do you do?
I am a teacher. What do you do?
I am a designer. I design websites.
That sounds interesting.
Thank you. Do you like the party?
Yes, the party is fun. The food is good.
I'm happy you like it.
Thank you for helping me.
You did great, Lily. Very great.
Lily, let me teach you some more phrases.
Yes, I want to learn more.
Good. Phrase number 1. Where are you from?
Where are you from? What does that mean?
That means, what country do you come from? What city do you come from?
I understand.
For example, I can answer, I am from Canada.
I am from Canada. Got it.
Or, I am from Toronto.
Toronto is in Canada, right?
Yes, exactly right. You learn fast.
Thank you. What is the next phrase?
The next phrase is, how long have you been here?
That is difficult.
No, it's simple. It means how many days, how many weeks, how many months.
Oh, I can answer, I have been here for 3 days.
Perfect, you got it.
What else?
You can say, I am happy to be here.
I am happy to be here. I like that.
Or, I am excited to meet you.
I am excited to meet you. Yes?
Yes, very good.
Can I use all these phrases tonight?
Yes, use them. Don't be shy.
I will try.
Hi, my name is Lily.
Hello, nice to meet you, Lily. I'm Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Are you enjoying the party?
Yes, I love the music.
Me too. Where are you from?
I am from South Korea.
Where are you from?
I'm from Australia.
Oh, Australia is very far.
Yes, it is.
Do you live here?
No, I live in the city.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I do. I live about 5 minutes away.
That is close.
What do you do? I am a teacher. I teach English.
Oh, that's wonderful. Your English is very good.
Thank you. I study a lot.
It shows. Would you like some food?
Yes, please. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Lily.
Hi, Lily. I'm Tom. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
How long have you been here?
I have been here for maybe 1 hour.
Are you having fun?
Yes, I am happy to be here. The people are very nice.
That's great. Do you know anyone here?
Yes, I know Max. He is my friend.
Oh, Max. Yes, Max is a good guy.
He is very kind.
What do you do for work?
I teach English. And you?
I work in a bank. I am a manager.
That is interesting.
Yes, it keeps me busy. Do you like your job?
Yes, very much. I love teaching.
That's wonderful.
Lily, how are you doing?
Max, I am doing great.
Really? Tell me.
I met Sarah and Tom.
That's wonderful. Did you introduce yourself?
Yes, I used all the phrases you taught me.
Amazing. Which phrases did you use?
I said, "Where are you from?" and "What do you do?"
Excellent. Those are very important.
Sarah is from Australia. Tom works in a bank.
See, you're doing fantastic.
I feel more confident now.
Good. Are you still nervous?
No, not really. It was easier than I thought.
You see, introducing yourself is not difficult.
You were right. Thank you so much, Max.
You're welcome. Keep practicing, okay?
I will. Can we come back to another party?
Of course, you did amazing tonight.
I had a great time. Thank you.
You deserve it. You were brave.